For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
In 2021, digital money brokers adored the Uniswap (UNI) coin, which saw critical benefits all through its short presence, which is very huge. Notwithstanding American Samoa 2022 moved close, the decentralized trade (DEX) token saw a plunge as the altcoin market shrank. Uniswap actually accomplished a critical achievement in May 2022. All out exchanges on the DEX outperformed the $1 trillion imprint, despite the troubling exhibition of its local coin. What future possibilities could we at any point anticipate for UNI? Go along with us beneath as we analyze the cost expectation for the UNI token over the course of the following couple of years to keep awake to date on every one of the latest insights and projections for this suddenly famous digital money. What is Uniswap, UNI, in a significant way? 2018 November, Uniswap, a decentralized trade, sort of had its truly official most certainly send-off. The stage, a decentralized application, DApp, based on the Ethereum blockchain, works with the change of Ether into a scope of ERC20 tokens. Uniswap rewards liquidity suppliers with commission installments to empower them. For what reason did last year's Uniswap drive take off incredibly? The stage's ease of use and interoperability with the MetaMask wallet are the essential drivers. The clients likewise have in every way that really matters, unlimited authority over their confidential keys in a significant manner. The Uniswap's point of interaction really was in every practical sense, less difficult to use than those of the other DESs. In this manner, it explicitly is just a computerized market creator utilizing open source code, which is genuinely huge. There is no organization book and no outsider is involved. This decentralized stage works with smooth and basic exchange along these lines. The AMM, automated market maker, instrument is the groundwork of Uniswap. With the utilization of ERC20 symbolic pools, liquidity is delivered. A commission of 0.3% is charged by liquidity suppliers for each exchange. This cash goes into the pool save account. Each commission is paid out to UNI holders at a pace of 0.05%, with the excess 0.25% going to liquidity suppliers, or so they really thought. Despite the fact that Uniswap isn't the main venture to utilize AMM, it did significantly advance this line of exploration, which prompted the development of extra conventions with a comparable design. Uniswap, UNI, Fundamental Analysis. Hayden Adams laid out the decentralized trade Uniswap in November 2018. Two shrewd agreements that are housed on the Ethereum blockchain in addition to a public, open-source front-end client make up the convention. It is a completely on-chain market producer that empowers the change of ETH to ERC20 tokens as well as the other way around, which is genuinely critical. Then again, on the off chance that UNI doesn't zero in on unambiguous headways, the cost could decline. All things considered, in the event that the advanced resource doesn't answer market sentiments, we might expect regular undeniable levels. Uniswap, UNI, Technical Analysis. For the beyond couple of months, the cost development for the most part has been allegorical, similar as the entire cryptographic money market. Considering that Uniswap is delivering the third variant, the rate rise is expected. Uniswap v3. The people that deal with the Uniswap specialized examination through the trading view stage accept that UNI token will rank among the main 5 elective monetary standards this mid-year. They guarantee that financial backers presently essentially get a 3x benefit. Extremely bullish, then. Uniswap, UNI, current price. Uniswap is at present in every way that really matters, worth $6.02. UNI has moved -5.51% as of now with an exchanging volume of $150,699,833. Uniswap is right now basically positioned 19 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $4,537,189,053. Uniswap, UNI, Price Prediction 2022. Uniswap, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. UNI, incredibly. The UNI cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's fundamentally last part, potentially coming to $9.03. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops sort of are normal, which is genuinely huge. Averaging $8.43 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. UNI is supposed to have a base worth of $7.23. Uniswap, UNI, price prediction 2023. In 2023, Uniswap UNI cost expectation has genuinely much space for extension. Because of the kind of possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we especially guess that the cost of UNI will before long outperform $15.05. Be that as it may, we ought to explicitly hold back to check whether the UNI's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, UNI will exchange within in every practical sense, least exchanging cost of $12.04 and an exceptionally normal exchanging cost of $13.25. Uniswap, UNI, price prediction 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $21.08 and UNI might benefit in a significant manner. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not for the most part be met. UNI is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $19.27 and a low of $18.06 in 2024 in a very significant manner. Uniswap, UNI, price prediction 2025. On the off chance that Uniswap effectively supports market feeling among digital money lovers, the UNI coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years, or so they thought. As per our projections, UNI will be green in 2025. The UNI is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $27.10, with a base cost of $24.09 and a for the most part normal cost of $25.29. Uniswap, UNI, price prediction 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the UNI cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $31.31 by 2026. Within in every way that really matters, least cost of $30.11 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, UNI has a most extreme value worth of $33.